Well, good day, everyone. Steve Villanueva here. Live look outside. This is Vero Beach, a mix of sun and clouds. A very pretty afternoon, but we have a cool front to the north. That's going to sweep through as we head towards Wednesday, and it will cool us off and also lower the humidity. But ahead of the front for today, we're going to see an afternoon shower and thunderstorm risk, especially as we head towards the middle and the late afternoon hours. All right, so here's again a live look at Vero Beach, where we're seeing partly cloudy skies there, 84 degrees. Likewise into the Palm Beaches. The winds coming in out of the south and southeast, bringing in plenty of tropical moisture. All is quiet at the moment, but as the day goes on, we will have the afternoon sea breeze work its way across the peninsula and trigger those storms. They'll start across the central part of the state near the lake and then make a run towards the I-95 corridor as we head towards the evening commute. So the evening commute could be slowed with the thunderstorms rolling on through. There's the front to the north, and behind the front we do have cooler air, and we also have much drier air too. Now ahead of the front for today, the potential is there of seeing some stronger storms. In fact, we have a marginal risk. It's the lowest tier, but we do have a marginal risk of seeing some severe weather later today. That means an isolated severe storm will be possible. The biggest threat will be some strong gusty winds and maybe some hail as well. So something that we'll watch as we head into the late afternoon and evening hours. Now, once the front clears, notice the temperatures. These are the morning lows, not the daytime highs, but the morning lows. As we head towards Thursday morning, we're talking temperatures about 10 degrees below average for this time of year. So lower 60s into the Palm Beaches, but into the Treasure Coast, by the time we get to Thursday morning, we're talking overnight lows potentially in the 50s. So it will be quite cool. There's the front. Ahead of the front for today, we'll have those scattered storms around. Tomorrow, the front gets closer, and once again, we'll have some afternoon showers and storms. Then the front moves through early Wednesday morning, and then behind it, that's when that cooler and drier air starts to move on in. Here's Vipercast as we head towards 2 p.m. Notice just a couple of showers here or there, but across the interior zones west of the lake, those thunderstorms really get going. And then notice they just simply push towards I-95 just in time for the evening commute. These storms could slow things down. We could certainly see some heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, and again, potentially some hail too. So some of these storms could be stronger, something that we'll monitor later on today. But by 8 p.m., the strongest storms are offshore. And at that point in time, just a couple of spotty showers here or there. Now, in the meantime, in the tropics, happy to report that all is quiet in the Atlantic Basin. We're not expecting any tropical activity to develop as we head into the next 5 days. If you're going boating, watch out for those late day storms. Will be moving offshore. Seas today at 1 to 2 feet. Inland waters will have a light chop, and there are your high and your low tide times. First alert 7-day forecast today, 87 afternoon storms, 86 tomorrow with some stormy weather. And then notice Wednesday, a daytime high of 76 degrees. Our temperatures will be dropping by 10 degrees as we head into Wednesday.